Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope I'm in focus. I should be. So, obviously you clicked on this title because I'm going to do a Zala hair extension review. These are next to me. I have cut open the bag, but I haven't undone them. So, little background. I have been wearing extensions, that's my son, since 2008. So I have tried tons of different brands. I've had them glued in my hair. That was a mess. I've had them beaded, the fused extensions also was a mess because of the way they were installed. I've worn Sally's extensions. The first pair I ever owned were from Sally's. I actually had to buy 2 sets because they are very thin and my hair is very thick. So one set just looked like a mullet. So I got into Zala hair extensions about 4 years ago, actually longer than that probably. I bought my first ombre set from them, love them. But I do change my hair a lot. So this is probably my 4th pair of extensions I've bought from them. I've bought always the 9-piece double wefted or double drawn, extensions. So I buy those ones because I need the 9 pieces. They sell 9 and 5, and now they have seamless, but I just buy the regular 9-piece double drawn extensions. I've had 2 pairs of ombre extensions. I bought the halo when I had my blue hair, which I liked the halo, but I prefer the clips because I feel like they're more secure. With having a 2-year-old, I felt like he could just rip them out of my hair, which would have been really embarrassing if that would have happened. So I ended up actually sewing 2 additional clips on the halo. But anyway, when I dyed my hair blonde, I decided I needed a new pair of extensions. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox these for you, show you how they come, and then I will put them in off camera. If you want to see how I install my extensions, leave a comment below and I will make a video doing that. So let's get started. They come in this big bag. When you see this bag, it's exciting. Cute little handle. Hi, Atticus. Let me give him my phone for a second so he can watch his YouTube video. Oh, baby. Sorry, mom life. This is just real life. So they come in this little bag. And you pull them out. And they were actually in this, but... Honey, can mommy have a moment? He's pretty cute. Give me a second. That's really loud.
Hey, look, you were born.
Let's just turn it down. There you go. Sorry, that's real life. It happens. I hope I'm in focus. If I film this entire thing not in focus, I will be very sad. Very sad. Anyway, so comes in this cute bubble wrap. Don't know why it's cute. And then you get the box. And I love these boxes. I actually save these because if we're traveling, we do that often. I will put my extensions in the box and pack them up. I know they probably sell. I'm pretty sure they do sell the bags. I already have the box. I'm going to use it. And they're really sturdy. So they come in this box. The sides actually Velcro. When you open it, you get this cute little sample of, it is the extension shampoo, conditioner, and then the Revive. And then there's just some informational stuff. I'll just go ahead and open it on camera. And comes in the really nice plastic. We'll pop this open here. I love Zala because they give you this book. And in this book, if you're new to extensions, it kind of gives you the breakdown of what they have, different colors. They have tons of colors. And the cool thing about Zala is they actually have a system where you can send them a picture of your hair and they will color match you the best to their ability, to the right color extensions for you. I like to customize mine. So I've never done that. I just always kind of get the shade I think is right for me, or I just get blonde and I customize them. They are 100% human hair. You can dye them, style them, all of that. So anyway, this book just kind of has the breakdown of the colors they have, some before and after pictures, and I bet you I didn't paint my nails. I'm sorry. And then also just their accessories. And they do have the Protect Me bag and hanger, which is pretty cool. And yeah, they have a bunch of stuff. And I like Zala because they do the points. I just got $20 off because every time you visit the site, you get 200 points. You build them up, you get money off your next purchase. It's great. I highly recommend them, or extensions. You'll see why. You get if you need to return them, and then anytime they have a new product, you get the 3 new product ranges and then little details on the back. So that's that for you. let's pull more stuff out of here. These are just the YouTube information. If you the $20, that's for Australia. They were believe they were originally in Australia. Not 100% sure on that, but yeah. Oh, it just tells you how to get your refund and all of that. So that's return information and YouTube information, just kind of the basic knowledge stuff. Oh, here's a $10 off code. I will actually leave this below if you want to try them. Okay, so yeah, you just get the little sample sizes. I have used the Revive Me. I got this when I got the Halo. It actually smells really good, and I really enjoyed it. You put it on your palms, rub it together, and rub it through your extensions. So let me just show you. This is my hair. Just fresh out of the shower, blow dried it. That's about it. Didn't style it. Just to kind of show you that my hair is very thick. That's why I love the 9 pieces, because I like to clip the extensions on the sides of my head, just so it doesn't look like a mullet. Yeah. Okay, we'll continue. Your extensions will come in a bag. I also save these bags. Once again, good for travel if you don't want to carry the box around. Save your bag if you don't purchase the one they offer on the website. So before I open these, I'll go ahead and show you this right now. This right here is details about how to use your product, the samples they sent you. And then inside the box is how you would install your extensions, the different clip-in, tape-in, and ponytail. Like I said, I prefer the clip-in just because sometimes I don't want to wear extensions and they're easy to remove. I've never tried tape-ins. Like I said, I did glue-in extensions, which tape-ins were probably a better choice, but my knowledge of extensions has grown greatly since I did that. So anyway, so yeah, like I said, the box is Velcro, super nice. I recommend keeping it. To each their own. Let me see, I'm checking my time. Hopefully I'm in focus. Okay, like I said, comes in this cute bag. Everything is cute. You're gonna open the extensions, and these are 20 inches, yes, and they are thick and beautiful, and they're tied up. So if you get your extensions and you notice that they're not the right color or length, whatever the reason may be, leave this on the extensions. You will not be able to return once you remove the blue ribbon. That is just so Zala knows that they are untouched and that they could, I'm assuming, put them back on the shelf. In no way is this a sponsored video. I have like 16 subscribers right now. This is not sponsored. But yeah, they do the warranty seal just so you know. Leave this all on there. You can feel them. They're super shiny and pretty. I'm going to go ahead and put these in really quickly. I will probably curl my hair because I prefer my hair curled with extensions. I always tell, you know, friends or whatever, if you have extensions and your hair is shorter, they're going to look a little bit more natural if they are curled. So you don't have an obvious, like, you can just tell where your length stops and the extensions start. That's the worst. But yeah, so I'm going to put these in and give you just kind of some of my tips and tricks of how I like to put them in. So I will be right back. Okay, so it literally just occurred to me. I'm looking at the viewfinder and I have me right here. Sorry. That I probably should have taken the extensions out. I can't talk. And showed you what each individual weft looked like, but I didn't. So I will, when I film the how I put them in video, I'll go ahead and show you. I am super impressed. I left them straight because I wasn't expecting them to match so perfectly. I had blue hair for like ever. And when I went blonde, it was an accident. And then I just toned it with a lilac toner and a beige toner, a beige blonde. And then these extensions, I believe, are in the color. I didn't even tell you the color. Oops. Where's the color at on here? Is the color on the box? Let me know. Okay, so they don't actually put the color on the box. I believe these were beige blonde or champagne blonde. I'll double check and list it. But they're just, oh, look at that. I'm impressed. They're beautiful, and I'm a returning customer, so I'm a little biased. I've worn them before. I have loved them every time I purchase them. These are 20 inches, I believe I said that. So they're very long, luscious, shiny. I will probably end up curling them because I just like my hair curly better. But like I said, they're human hair. They curl, they straighten, wash them, whatever you want to do. I have dyed them many times. When I had blue hair, I just bought a blonde halo and customized it. Super easy, but they are thick. So dyeing them does take patience and time, but not a difficult task. I love these. I really do. Because I have thick hair and extensions, I believe these were $200. But on Zala's website, you can always find a discount code, a $10 off code. I'm going to list the discount code in the description. And then my link, my referral code, if you decide to try them, click my link, save yourself $15. Believe that's what it is. I'll double check. But like I said, I wore Sally's extensions forever because I didn't know better. No hate or shade on Sally Beauty. I love them, but their extension quality, back then, they maybe had 2 different brands of clip-ins that you could choose from. And they were human hair, but they didn't cooperate as well as they should have. They fell apart on me really fast. They got really like fried looking really fast. But with extensions, it's all about how you take care of them. If you want your extensions to last you, I've had extensions last almost 3 years. They're obviously going to shed as you brush them and style them. They're not going to stay perfect, but if you want them to stay nice looking, take care of them. Don't use a super high heat setting when you're curling or straightening. Use a wet brush, or I believe there's like a wig brush or hair extension brush they make now. Zala actually has their own brush they make for extensions. If you take care of them and don't just wad them up and throw them in a drawer, they will last you a pretty decent amount of time. Year, 2 years, it all just depends on how you take care of them. I highly recommend them. I've been wearing them, like I said, Zala specifically, 4 years or more. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. DM me on Instagram. That's kind of where, again, the most questions about my hair is on my Instagram, which, shameless self-promo, I'll leave in the description. Follow me. I'm a lot of fun. But yeah, that's what I have for you. These are Zala Hair Extensions. You can find them on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You can find me on their page. They have graciously featured my pictures before, which is awesome. They're really, really nice. Great customer service. Yeah, and it actually gives you care tips on the back as I'm like reading this box while I'm talking to you. It says avoid swimming in chlorine or salt water. I don't suggest swimming in your extensions at all if they were clip-ins or a halo. Tape-ins a little different, obviously. Use a low heat setting. Brush your extensions gently starting from bottom to top. And then they give you a little email if you need advice or help. So yeah, that is my little review on Zala Hair Extensions. I'll leave a discount code that is below in the description box. Questions you have, leave in the comment or DM me on Instagram. But yeah, I'm super stoked about it. I'm gonna go take some selfies and be super vain, but I love them. And look how good the match is. Like, are you kidding me? For this being an accidental blonde, it's really working out for me. That's all I got for you. Hopefully this stays short because I'm gonna have to edit this and get this up tonight. But yeah, that's all I got. I'm just rambling now. Good times. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, follow me on Instagram. You're probably thinking, why is she wearing a sweater in June? My house is freezing, but that's all I have. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time.